The man accused of killing the United Healthcare CEO, Luigi Mangione, was arraigned today in New York City. Alexis Christoforous is in New York with more on what happened inside the courtroom.
Today, the first pictures of Luigi Mangione in court in Manhattan. Mangione arraigned on an 11-count indictment accusing him of murdering United Healthcare chief Brian Thompson, entering his plea of not guilty in the New York State courtroom.
How do you plead to this indictment, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
He faces life in prison without the possibility of parole on these state charges if convicted. Mangione brought into court wearing a dress shirt, red sweater, and chino pants, cuffed and shackled at the waist. Also in court today, 30 members of the public, some claiming they showed up in the frigid cold at 4 this morning to get a chance to get a glimpse of the accused killer. All but 4 were young women, a few visibly emotional as Mangione entered court. Mangione's popularity alarms police.
We don't celebrate murders, and we don't lionize the killing of anyone.
One state charge accuses Mangione of murdering Thompson in furtherance of terrorism.
I was targeted, premeditated, and meant to sow terror.
Last week, Mangione appeared in federal court on stalking and murder charges. If convicted of the federal charges, Mangione could get the death penalty. When he was arrested in Pennsylvania, investigators say they found handwritten notes that described Mangione's alleged intent to, quote, whack the CEO at an investors conference. Police say Mangione's own mother told investigators it might be something that she could see him doing. She had filed a missing persons report with police in San Francisco 2 weeks before the murder. Mangione's attorney today raised concerns her client's rights are being violated and the case is being politicized.
I'm very concerned about my client's right to a fair trial in this case. He's being prejudiced by some statements that are being made by government officials. He's a young man and he is being treated like a human ping pong ball.
The Manhattan DA's office says it has primary jurisdiction over this case and will try its case before the federal trial. Mangione will remain in federal custody. His next court date is in 2 months. Alexis Christoforous, ABC News, New York.